Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Listen. And keep listening. What do you hear? And keep breathing in deeply. Really relax yourself. With the sound of the water, feel yourself relaxing and letting go. Imagine that with every breath in and then out, you become more and more relaxed. And all you hear is the sound of my voice. And the sound of the water trickling. Relax. Breathe. Imagine that with every breath in, then out, you let go of any thoughts or fear or worry. It's like you let go of them, let them flow away from you into the water. Don't hold on to your thoughts. Watch and listen how the water continues moving. In the same way, allow your feelings and your thoughts to just continue to flow. Don't get stuck on your thoughts. Just come back to the sound of the trickling water and feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Well done, my friend. Well done. And when you're ready, start to move your shoulders, and your hands and your feet. And when you're ready, start to open your eyes, taking this relaxed and beautifully refreshed feeling back into your day. Well done. Well done.